Thank you. Whoa, so many bags.
Wait, there's something in there. That's your present, man. Don't cut your present. It's your present.
I love you.
Yay! Happy birthday! Okay. I just can't go. There's more. Don't worry. Wait, there's something in the bag. Wait, you're just gonna, my present I got you, just gonna put on the floor? The lollipop? Alright, there's more.
Something in the bag.
Happy birthday! That's it. Yeah, a lollipop, a finger man, and a dime. That's it.
Thank you.
A receipt. Come on. Kenny, what do you? There's nothing else. That's the whole thing. The other bags are just there. Nothing in there. That's your present. There it is. Happy birthday!
Oh my God!
Yeah!
Oh my God!
Go Giants! Yeah!
Oh my God! I love you!
Alright, so the Super Bowl DVD is mine, and you can keep the lollipop and the 10 cents and the finger puppet. This is for me. This is what's in the bag. Just kidding, buddy.